I gave an AI a simple sentence, and it built a complete professional diagram in seconds. No manual drawing, no complex setup, just a clean, structured output instantly. This is one of those tools that can genuinely speed up work for designers, students, engineers, and business professionals who deal with diagrams or visual planning. Let's go step by step. Today we are using Wondershare EdrawMax, an all-in-one diagramming platform powered by AI. It lets you create flowcharts, mind maps, network diagrams, floor plans, engineering layouts, and business visuals using either templates or simple text instructions. The key feature here is the AI diagram agent. You describe what you want and it builds a structured, editable diagram automatically. Another important advantage is Microsoft Visio compatibility, so you can import and export Visio files without breaking formatting or layout. Before we start the demo, let's quickly set it up. Go to the official EdrawMax website and install the version for Windows or Mac. After installation, open the software and sign in to access all AI features. Now let's test the AI diagram agent with real use cases. Example 1. Smart Office Network Diagram. Inside the AI diagram agent, I enter this prompt: create a network diagram for a smart office setup including router, workstation PCs, printer, cloud storage, and IoT devices. The AI instantly generates a structured network layout with proper nodes and connections. Now I can click any element, rename devices, adjust connections, and reorganize the layout based on real requirements. Example 2. Project Workflow Diagram. Next, I try a more practical workflow, create a project management workflow for a software development team, including planning, design, development, testing, and deployment stages. Again, the AI builds a clean flowchart with proper sequencing and labels. I can easily adjust stages or add new nodes if the workflow changes. Example 3. Business Analysis Diagram. Now I test a business use case, create a SWOT analysis for a digital marketing agency. It generates a structured SWOT grid with strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats clearly separated and editable. This is useful for reports, presentations, and strategy planning. At this point, the key idea is clear. The AI diagram agent is not just generating visuals, it is building structured thinking frameworks that you can refine. Now let's move to templates. EdrawMax provides a large library of ready-made templates for flowcharts, engineering diagrams, education models, business frameworks, and technical designs. Instead of starting from scratch, you can select a template close to your requirement and immediately modify it. For example, I open a basic flowchart template and convert it into a simple hiring process diagram by replacing text and adjusting steps. Now look at symbols. There is a drag and drop library with icons, arrows, connectors, and shapes. So instead of drawing anything manually, you just drag components into place and adjust them visually. This is especially useful when working on client presentations or technical documentation. Now let's clearly separate another feature: AI image tools. This is different from the diagram agent. Here we are working with images, not structured diagrams. Background removal. I upload a sample image and use the background removal tool. With one click, the background is removed cleanly, leaving only the main subject. Object removal test. Next, I test object removal on the same image. I highlight an unwanted element and the AI removes it while filling the background naturally. Image Enhancement. Now I run Image Enhancement on a low-quality image. The result improves sharpness, lighting, and clarity, making it suitable for presentations or reports. These tools are useful when you are preparing visuals to be inserted into diagrams, reports, or slides. So if we look at the full workflow, you can generate structured diagrams using AI Diagram Agent, refine them with templates and symbols, and then enhance supporting visuals using AI image tools. Now let's test the AI poster generation feature. I'll enter a simple prompt. Create a futuristic Tech Conference 2026 poster. In just a few seconds, EdrawMax generates a professional poster automatically. The best part is that everything is editable. You can customize the text, images, colors, and layout to match your needs. Once finished, you can export it as PDF, PNG, or PowerPoint with just a few clicks. Everything works together inside one platform. This is what makes EdrawMax useful for professionals in design, engineering, education, and business planning. Instead of switching between multiple tools, you can handle everything in one place. If you want to try this workflow yourself, install EdrawMax and test the AI diagram agent with your own ideas. Start with a simple prompt, then refine it step by step and see how much time it saves compared to manual diagramming. If you found this useful, like the video and subscribe for more AI tools and productivity workflows. Drop a comment if you want a deeper tutorial on advanced diagram techniques or real business use cases.